everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me again, it's Pinay Vlog. For today's vlog, part 2, I'm done cooking easy quick dinner right here. It's easy quick dinner is ramen, Japanese ramen noodles right here. Japanese ramen noodle homemade by me, Nit's Pinay Vlog. There we go everyone, let's eat. Ciao ciao. Chow chow time. Kainan na. Eating time. Eating time, everyone. Yummy and delicious. Let's eat. Let's have some ramen noodles. There we go. We have some Deer Park. We have some Tropical Punch Body Armor. And we have some Sky Flakes right here. Sky Flakes right here. The Sky Flakes. Right here. Let's eat, everyone. Enjoy and God bless us all. And if you're new to my YouTube channel, you haven't liked, share, and subscribe, please do. And don't forget to pull the notification bell, hit all, and for more updated for the next vlog. It's me again, it's Pinay Vlog. Kainan na, eating time wherever you are in the whole world is dinner time. Here in the US is 6 p.m. It's 6 p.m. is cooking part 2, done cooking for easy quick dinner right here is ramen noodles, Japanese ramen noodles, tonkotsu, Japanese ramen noodles right here. Thank you for watching, everyone. God bless. And hello everyone, shout out to all the viewers, subscribers. Hello, mega let's shout out to all the viewers wherever you are. Be safe as always, take care, and God bless you all. It's me again, it's Pinay Vlog. Always saying, take care and God bless wherever you are. Mabuhay pa tayong lahat. Ingat pa tayong lahat. And mabuhay Philippines. Mabuhay USA. Mabuhay ang buong mundo. So, ingat po tayong lahat. Be safe as always. Take care. God bless you all. Wherever you are, be safe as always. Love you guys. Take care. If you're new to my YouTube channel, you haven't liked, share, and subscribe, please do. Don't forget to pull the notification bell and don't skip ad as well. And hit all. And thank you for watching, guys. And I very much appreciate you for not skipping ad. And always tune to my YouTube channel. It's me again, it's Pinay Vlog. Thank you for watching. God bless you all. Shout out to all the viewers, subscribers. Hello everyone. It's me again, it's Pinay Vlog. Always say take care and God bless. I love you guys. Spread love. Love is in the air. This is Body Armor Tropical Punch right here with Deer Park water as well. Of course, always have a water to wash your kidney. And this is Sky Flakes. Sky Flakes is salted crackers. Sky Flakes salted crackers right here. Salted crackers. Salted crackers perfect for soup. Sabaw na mainit. Sabaw na mainit. It means hot soup. Hot soup. Hot soup. Hot ramen soup. There you go. With roasted garlic, roasted onion, and is Napa cabbage right here. Napa cabbage and hard-boiled eggs. Scrambled eggs, I mean. Sorry, it's scrambled egg. So that's it. Simple and easy and quick. There you go. Let's eat. Voila! This is Japanese ramen noodles. Is chicken white broth. So, what are you guys waiting for? Let's eat, enjoy, and God bless us all. Thank you for watching, everyone. See you again soon for the next vlog. It's me again, Nit's Pinay Vlog. Always saying, be safe as always. Never say goodbye. Tomorrow is another day. We don't know what's gonna happen. Tomorrow is not promised. So, be safe as always. Love one another. Be safe, take care, and God bless. Be kind and God bless. Love you guys. Thank you. And so long. See you again soon for the next vlog. It's me again. It's Pinay Vlog. Always say, I love you guys. Shout out to all the viewers, subscribers. Mega lot shout out to you all, wherever you are. Be safe as always. Take care and God bless. So long. See you again soon for the next vlog. It's me again. It's Pinay Vlog. Take care and God bless you all. Thank you again and God bless. So long, everyone. See you again soon.